Hello, if you have a GwINSTEK GDM-350B multimeter and if you want to test the continuity, so you need to change the probes to some other position. So just let us try to check. So now let us try to turn on the multimeter. Okay, and then you can see here the probes are in V and COM. Okay, now you must move the meter to diode and continuity mode, where you should see the diode and continuity symbol. Now if you try to touch both the terminals, okay, so let us try to touch both the terminals, and you can see the continuity doesn't sound. Why? Because in the GDM-350B, if you want to measure, you have to insert the red probe to this terminal and put the COM in the same terminal, and then now you can see if you touch the probe, you can see it comes up. Okay, and then remember that in a multimeter, when you are trying to probe the resistance, or if you are trying to probe continuity mode, anything less than or equal to 10 ohms is shown as a continuity, and buzzer glows. Anything more than 70 ohms is an open circuit. That's how the GDM 350B GwINSTEK multimeter works.